300 episodes ago, this started with nothing but a camera, a vision, and a love for real car culture. You're now watching PAIRADICE TV. No shortcuts, no big studio, just passion and pressure. Since then, we've traveled through car shows, drag strips, drift events, and unforgettable moments.
What's up, man? PAIRADICE TV!
Late nights, long drives, wild builds, horsepower, community, and through every upload, y'all kept showing up. 300 episodes deep, and to keep it 100, this still feels like the beginning, because now the vision is bigger. Bigger stories, bigger energy, just real big moments. 65 videos left on our 365-day challenge. Where should PAIRADICE TV go next? Talk to us in the comments. Like this because it's lit, and subscribe because it's all the way up. Should we be scheduling more racing, more builds, more documentaries, more cities? 300 episodes down, and we're still warming up. Big thanks to everybody watching worldwide. It's really like that. From the Brew City to everywhere.